Hi, welcome back to Burton's Academy. I'm glad to have you with me today. During this session, we'll run through the QuickBooks dashboard screen. So starting on the dashboard screen, what you can see is we have all sorts of information here. I have not arranged it in any order. This is just the automatic order of everything. However, you can customize and suggest you want things to be put into a different location. So we have our tasks, we have our shortcuts, we have our bank accounts that are connected to QuickBooks. We have the profit and loss, an expense report, invoices which are unpaid versus paid, cash flow trends, and then some surveys. But if I don't want this in this order, I can go over to this customise button, click on it, and then everything becomes a green box. What that means is I can now move them or I can remove them from my home screen. Now, I don't want the surveys on my home screen, so I am going to delete those. If I've accidentally deleted a widget that I do want to add back in, I can now click Add or Remove Widget, and it will show you the widgets that are no longer on your screen, or it will recommend some others that haven't been on your screen that you may want. So therefore, for example, sales, and click Save. I also then might want to say, actually, I need my bank account at the very top. And I also want to look at my invoices at the very top. So I just click and drag the item to the relevant location, click Save. And there you have the new order of my dashboard. And I also now have the sales section in there as well. And that's your dashboard for QuickBooks. I hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, follow along for more content on how to use QuickBooks. See you at the next one.